Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Doing some pruning of dead branches yesterday around the property here, and it got me to thinking that, they say, to do the pruning, you are encouraging or helping the tree dedicate its resources to what remains, right? So with, let's say, the limb missing, the branch, the twig missing, the flower missing, the plant is able to give its energies to what remains. So you see this in like fruiting plants where they try and minimize some of the offshoots so that the energy goes to the fruit. And so I was just kind of thinking, what happens in my practice when I let something go, when I prune something, right? A way of thinking, a way of enacting a movement, a way of considering a movement, a manner of breathing in a movement, whatever. And so, do I actually feel more energy available for the things that remain? So that's really just the question, right? So in the foreground here we have the wolf hawk birch, and then in the rear we have the fading grandmother birch. So welcome to the farm, and maybe add to the comments. Let me know what you've been pruning, what you've let go of, however temporarily. Thank you. Isn't it nice that your teacher didn't prune you?
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.